This is Paravi and Abrarul Islam and me. We are teammate and we have a big digital marketing agency and we do YouTube SEO and promotions related work. So that is all about our agency, sir. So recently, our team member Abrarul has audited your YouTube channel and found some on-page problem. And if you
Mhm.
can fix that problem, then your channel possible to grow, sir. So if you are interested, then we'll go ahead.
Okay, well, I'm interested on listening what you can offer.
Okay, sir. So basically, we will optimize your video title, text, and descriptions, and we will increase your video SEO score. And when we optimize each of the things, then your video will gradually grow, not instant, because we work organically and we want to be 100% honest to our client. That is why we are a big agency today. So we basically optimize your video title, text, and descriptions, and for YouTube SEO, we have two packages. One is weekly and another is monthly. In our weekly package, we'll optimize your 10 video SEO, and it costs $120, and it takes 7 days to complete the work. And another package is monthly package. In our monthly package, we'll optimize your 30 video, and it costs $300, and it takes 30 days to deliver the work.
Okay, but it will happen with our videos in our channel or the next videos, or because we have a lot of videos.
Okay, we can do your older and new video also. Both can we do, and already uploaded video and all or newly coming videos which you uploaded soon. So that type of both type of video we can do SEO.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay,
So
sir. So which
s-
one do you want to start with, sir? Which package?
uh, I first I have to if we are talking about something about money, I need to talk with my partners because I cannot
Okay.
make
I
a
see.
decision just right now. It's like first we need to know exactly what are you offering us, and then I have to talk with my partners, and we can go back to you and say, okay, we are interested in this offer. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Okay, sir.
So and
Yeah.
in our channel is we are in Spanish, and I don't know if this is a problem for you or you can do the same in
No
Spanish.
problem. No problem. Locations and niche is doesn't matter, sir.
Okay, so you will translate with ChatGPT or something like that, right?
Yeah, we have lot of tools. We have lot of tools. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
So right now we are uploading one video per week, more or less. Uh, at the beginning, we were uploading one video daily, but it was a lot of work and the results weren't very good as we wanted. So we are doing larger videos because they were like 1 minute and a half, 3 minutes. Now we are doing like 8 minutes or more than 8 minutes videos, one per week, and depending on the well, you have seen, depending on the month, we are around 200 euros per month, more or less. So it's like we with one video we have 20K visitors, with another video we have 3K. It depends on the topic because our videos, I'm not sure if they are very algorithm friendly because we are it's like we are teaching uh, concepts, like basic concepts, like what is capitalism or something like that. So
Okay.
it's not like we are on the beef mood. We are more in the teaching or that kind of things.
Okay. I
So
see. Sir.
I don't know how much we can grow being on that kind of videos.
Okay, sir. So you should focus which video gain more views. You should create content like that, and your audience are chose to watch that type of videos. And you should create eye-catchy thumbnail, and you should maintain your video quality. And you have to do also SEO also. So if you want, we also can help you through your thumbnail design, video editing, and SEO also. So especially we can help you your YouTube SEO. When we do SEO, then your video will get more reach. to organically and more reach to your audience. So for starting the work, we have two methods, sir.
Mhm.
One is you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. Then we can do everything from our side. But if you do not want to give your channel access, we have another method, which is you just send your video links, which video you want to do SEO, and then we will optimize each of the things from our side. Then you just we make a report sheet and we will hand over to you. Then you just copy and paste each data by yourself to your videos. And for getting payment, we support Western Union, we support Remitly, and we support Payoneer. And when you hire us, you have to pay 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. So that is all about our work process. So you think about it and discuss with your partner. Then if you are interested, inform us, then we will work for you, sir.
Okay. So, do you think with our videos, for example, we uploaded one video last week.
Yeah.
Do you think your work can affect that video so that it will
Obviously,
improve?
obviously. So if you want to taste our service, so I have a suggestion for you. You just take our 5 video as a test basis, and per video is $10. You judge our work by taking 5 video service, and if you are interested or if you are satisfied, then you can hire us for the packages.
Okay, so I can give you 5 videos,
Yeah,
and you will make a test per $10,
yeah. For
and
take
I think
one video is $10. Yeah,
one video,
yeah.
one video. Okay, okay, okay. I'm writing.
So after finishing the meeting, our team member will knock you. So if you think about it and if you are reach a decision, then inform us. No problem. So and
Okay, okay.
our
I think I
client,
think I think
yeah.
this is a good way to start. So it's like, okay, if you
Okay.
$10 is something that we can afford easy. So it's like, okay, we can test each other. So it's like you can see what we do and we can see what you do,
Yeah,
and if it's working, and in the stats we
yeah,
see like a difference from your change.
yeah.
I think it's something that we can afford.
Okay, 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 sir. So thanks for your time, sir. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.